Ever wondered what the most common pitfalls are when it comes to filing tax returns? More often than not, people overlook an item of income, forget to claim a deduction, or receive an amended tax document after they've already filed their tax return. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Whether this slip-up results in more tax due or a refund, it's not something to be brushed under the rug. You see, failing to report an item of income is like playing hide and seek with the IRS. They'll always find you. And when they do, it's usually a year or more after the original return was filed, and after interest and penalties have piled up like an unwelcome mountain. But on the bright side, if you have a refund coming, you certainly wouldn't want to miss out on that. So what's the antidote to these tax woes? Filing an amended return as soon as the mistake or omission is discovered. Think of it as a time machine, allowing you to go back and claim overlooked credit, correct filing status or the number of dependents, report an omitted investment transaction, include items from delayed or unexpected K1S, and corrected or late-filed 1099S, or account for an overlooked deduction. Essentially, anything that should have been reported on the original return. If the overlooked item will result in a tax increase, penalties and interest can be mitigated by filing an amended return post-haste. Remember, the IRS isn't a fan of hide and seek, and procrastination only leads to further complications once they realize something is amiss. So it's always best to take care of these issues right away. In summary, tax returns are not a one-time affair. Mistakes can and do happen. But instead of panicking or ignoring the issue, the best course of action is to file an amended return as soon as possible. Whether it's an overlooked item of income, a missed deduction, or an amended tax document received late, amended returns allow you to correct these errors and avoid unnecessary penalties. And if you're lucky, you might even have a refund coming your way. So the next time you find a mistake in your tax return, remember, an amended return is your best friend.